Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to make viral edits in CapCut step by step. So if you want those fast-paced TikTok edits, flashy transitions, smooth zooms, beat syncs, and cinematic effects, yeah, this guide will help you create attention-grabbing videos really easily. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Then import all the clips, photos, or gameplay footage you want to use. Now trim out boring moments and keep only the most exciting parts. Viral edits usually move very fast, so shorter clips help keep viewers interested. Next, add music or trending audio to your timeline. So strong music beats make transitions and effects feel way more powerful. One of the biggest tricks for viral edits is syncing your cuts with the music beat. I mean, when clips change exactly on the beat, the edit instantly feels smoother and more professional. And that's basically how to make viral edits in CapCut from start to finish. After some practice with timing, effects, and music syncing, your edits will start looking way more professional and attention-grabbing.